When it comes to creating a safe and welcoming environment for loved ones with disabilities, your home plays a pivotal role. Ensuring that your living space is accessible can greatly enhance their quality of life and independence. In this guide, we'll explore practical steps and considerations to make your home safe and accessible for your loved ones. Home accessibility is about more than just installing ramps or widening doorways. It's about creating an inclusive space where your loved ones can move freely, comfortably, and safely. Here are the key aspects to consider. The first step in creating an accessible home is to evaluate your current living space. Take a walkthrough and identify areas that may pose challenges for individuals with disabilities. Pay attention to entryways, hallways, bathrooms, kitchen,
and bedroom.
For individuals using wheelchairs or mobility aids, ramps and widened doorways are essential modifications. Ensure that ramps have a gentle slope and non-slip surfaces. Doorways should be at least 32 inches wide to accommodate wheelchairs comfortably. The bathroom can be a challenging area for those with disabilities. Consider these modifications. Installing grab bars near the toilet and in the shower. Replacing the tub with a roll-in shower. Installing a handheld shower head. Lowering the sink for wheelchair accessibility. An accessible kitchen can greatly enhance independence. Some modifications to consider include lowering countertops and sinks, installing pull-out shelves and drawers, lever-style faucets for easy use. In the bedroom, prioritize comfort and accessibility. Choose an adjustable bed for personalized positioning. Ensure that light switches and electrical outlets are within reach. Consider a ceiling lift for transferring to and from the bed. Safety should be a top priority. Install smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and fire extinguishers. Remove tripping hazards, secure rugs, and ensure that electrical cords are tucked away. Ask for recommendations from local disability organizations. Check online reviews and interview contractors to ensure they understand your specific needs. Creating a safe and accessible home for your loved ones with disabilities is a rewarding journey. By making thoughtful modifications and seeking professional guidance, you can transform your living space into a place where everyone can thrive, regardless of their abilities. Visit harmonyhomemedical.com to know more about our home access and modification services. Schedule a free consultation today.